Hi friends, good evening. How are you all? Hope you all doing good. Once again, I welcome to you my another session of Mastermind. Here, I am discussing about best fundamental and technical stocks from current point of time, which would fetch you at least 50% returns in the coming future and at least two times or three times or 10 times returns going forward 5 to 7 years from this point of time horizon. Also, a few important tips I would mention here is, at least if you are going in equities, just go for at least 5 to 7 years. Otherwise, you will be in loss and you will lose your peace. So, long term in the sense, we can consider at least 7 years time horizon. A person who is continuously invested for 7 years has never been in loss in the stock market. And if you have less time horizon, you have to again and again check the stocks and each and everything. But once if you go for long term investment of 7 years horizon at least, you can just check the quarterly results and go with your stocks, and you have shuffle. Once your stock loses fundamentals and technicals, then you can shift the stock. But here in this portfolio is one of my friend's portfolio wherein the stocks mentioned here I would like to discuss with you. First stock is Action Construction Equipment. This is going to be a great stock coming forward in future, because you can see each and everywhere whenever you go outside the construction machines, ACE machines. So this is the basics. You whatever you see, whatever you use, you can invest in that. So according to me, ACE can be a good stock in future. As another stock, AFL India, I have already covered. You can check my under my videos. AFL India is a good stock, and it is poised to at least touch its lifetime high in the coming 4 or 5 months, at least by December. And let's have its results in the coming week or 7th of this month. So after that you can have your positions, and I would suggest at least now you can buy this stock in chunks, at least 5 to 10 stocks now, as it is providing very margin of safety now. And Asian Paints, guys, this stock you can pass it to another generation also, because Asian Paints, I would like to let you know that this stock has very broader market, and its marketing strategy is entirely different from other paint companies, which makes it different. Even though the quality of the paint, Akzo Nobel is better, but still Asian Paints is able to have its market area more than any other stock. So that makes it a different and unique stock. So Asian Paints, you can also now start having your some investment in that. And coming to another chemical sector stock, Black Rose, this is also one of the best stocks going and growing from the past 2 to 3 years. And you can also have some investment in this stock if you feel fine. And Happiest Minds, as you know, this is one of the famous stocks like AFL India. This stock is also poised to grow and grow and grow. And Havels is best stock. Along with that, I consider you to have some investment in Polycab India. That is also one of the greatest stock, and now it is also available at margin of safety level around 1850 1860. So if you get around 1800 or 1820, or even now, you can have some investment in that. And coming forward in the future, there is a huge scope for insurance sector, and the best one we can have is HDFC Life. It is also available at good level as of now. And IndiaMart Intermesh, yes, it is a bit risky bet, but still it can show a very good growth coming forward in future. So you can also have some of the stocks in that. And coming to IOLCP, this is a chemical sector stock, pharmaceutical stock. It is also available at good price and have strong fundamentals. And ITC, it is testing the patience of each and every one, but at least in going forward, this will maintain your stability of the portfolio. And also if there is a demerger, any kind of thing, it will also give very good returns. And Likita Infrastructure Limited, this is best stock now in gas distribution sector, construction, that side, gas distribution sector. You can consider Likita because it is having very strong fundamentals. And one Important thing I would like to tell you is you can check the monthly chart of Likita monthly time horizon, and you can see the monthly volumes. You will get some idea. You'll feel to invest in that. And another stock is Marksans Pharma. Along with that, you can have a look on Morpen Lab. You can check under my videos. And Polymed, diagnostic sectors, Morpen, Polymed, and these pharmaceuticals, Marksans, IOL, Gland Pharma. These are, you can hold them for 2 to 5 years at least from this point of time. They will have the benefit of present situation, but hope this COVID comes down drastically, and hope the lives of each and everyone, especially the poor people, comes to a good phase. And with the engineering limited, this company is involved in manufacturing of pigments, dyes and all that, and useful for food products. Our best stock, you can have this also. And Vimta Labs, this is also best stock. You can get it around 300. If you get it around 300 or 290, then you can think over that and start investing. So guys, these are the stocks which I have discussed with you. Is AFL India, Asian Paints, Black Rose, Happiest Minds, Havels, Polycab, HDFC Life, India Mart Intermesh, IOLCP, ITC, Likita Infrastructure, Marksans Pharma, Morpen Lab, Gland Pharma, Polymed, Vaibhav Global, and Vidhi Engineering and Vimta Labs. So these are best stocks which I have felt to tell my friend past 3 months back. Around February he got started investing in these stocks. And remember one thing, always buy in chunks. Don't go in one go. You'll get price market, test the patience. It gives the chance to each and everyone. It's not like that market will go in one direction. So be prepared, have some cash with you. If you have 100 rupees, buy 30 rupees blue chips, 60 rupees stocks which are poised to grow higher and higher. I mean a small cap or micro cap. And 10% you can have always in cash, or you can have in some other investment kind of thing. So my suggestion is have a time horizon of at least 7 years minimum from this point of time, and start investing. And always don't invest in stocks at one point of time. Market gives the chance, market is supreme. So just have a think on these stocks, and if you feel comfortable, you can start investing. And I would like to give you a major disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor or fund manager, but still I have bought you the stocks before you, so that you can also have some idea on these stocks which will show good growth, and you can also think of investing in these stocks once you feel comfortable at your own risk. Hope you'll all make good returns coming forward in the future. Thank you guys. Just like and subscribe if you my channel Market Mind. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.